Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I am here again with a new video around the Moodle, and today we'll discuss around the theme, that is the paid theme, and basically we'll review that theme, and we'll also walk you through the demonstration, and you'll see how the improve they have made around the interface. Okay, so I have already signed up here for the demo, and now you can see this is on my screen. You see here, this is the login page. Okay, and if you go to access as a guest, forget password option, you also have those options here. Okay, so this is as a guest I am accessing. You see here the nice look design, but yeah, this is not the something we are about to see. So I will try login with the admin pack itself. Okay, so here I will click on the admin, and now this is the home page you can see here. Correct, and this particular home page you can design as per your business requirement. Okay, so each section you are looking for, you can go for changing that one. Even if you want to remove this particular section and you want to add your own, you can also have that options there. Okay, because this particular theme will be coming with the page builder. Okay, so local plugin, the page builder, and there you will finding some predefined templates of page, and in that you can create or customize as per your business requirement. Correct. So this is how it look like in the default setup. You can brand your, you can show up display here your branding details on some offer. You can also go for the course coming, you can also list down here the latest announcement, a story, you can put everything here. Now you see here the design of the footer section, you can also go for that one. Correct. Now coming to here on top, you see this on the top most here, the language switch option, you will find something like this. So if I switch here, all the content will be switched to this. Now you see here, this is your static content, that is why it is not switched, otherwise it might be switched. Now coming to that, here that this is the default your page, and you see here the first link, you will find here the categories, the list of category and the all category. If I click here on the all category, it will redirect me to list of the courses here. Okay, with the filter of all category, you will find this is all category filter, and it redirect me here over the course listing page. You can you observe here the improved design in the Moodle. Right, so list, you can go for a grid view, you can go for list view, you can normally go for summary view. Okay, so there are lots of options you can pick for, and this is just user basic, user can sort a list down there as per their requirement. Now if I go to high school setup category, I can see the courses here. I will try entering into a course here. Let me come to this particular course, and you see here the design. So on the very top you will find here the high school is the category name. Okay, and here you see the course name, and the course rating will also find here that all 5 lesson will come up in within this, and this is last updated on this one. So if you click anywhere here, we will go inside the course. I will click here, and this is how the course detail page will look like. Okay, so you see here they have also redesigned this one on the left navigation bar. You can see the content will come up like this, the image, the course image, title, the teacher name. Yeah, this is the teacher. This is the course rating, and overall summary you will find here the number of enrollment, student in progress, and this, and this is the content how it will be coming. So this is section, then within that section you have content. Okay, you can see like this. So this is lesson, this is configuration. So you can see, observe here the improve the interface part. The language option have been also given. You can go to switch to from here as well. Okay, so mainly the above section will go away. So this one be your main section. So if not required, you can hide the above one. But yeah, if that is required, you can design your custom page detail like this. Okay, so this is recommended course just for you. Calendar. So this is the dashboard. Okay, so dashboard snapshot we'll have here. And if you go to my courses, you can also see some improvement here. Yeah, this is how it look like. Well, and here the dark mode, you can also switch, and light mode you can come back to the normal mode. And in case you have to edit anything, the edit mode switch you can see here. And this is how the logo will look like. This is how the category, you can add more menu here. The search is added here. And this is chat, this is notification. You can see the improvement around each and every element they have made here within this theme. Now coming to see, you can see here the icon of the activity or the resources they have changed. And and this will be based on your the theme color. So currently the theme color is blue, so that all are coming in that way. And this is the course rating, the must thing the people are looking for. Now here, accessibility. Now you can go for the accessibility, and you can use this one in case you need. Highlight title, highlight this. Okay, so you can go for like this. Letter spacing you can improve. Line height you can improve. Bold you can make like this one. Contrast you can also go for changing that one, like this. Okay, so you see here, this is the part of the theme itself, I guess. But here now you see the overall look and feel, and you can observe what all we have here additional. And in case you are looking for your new Moodle setup, and you have to improve around your the theme part, you can go for purchasing this particular RemUI theme. Okay, so I will put the link here in the description of this video, and of course, we will get the discount. Currently, they are in the offer. They are giving some offer. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.